everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into NetSpend debit card account. So if you also want to log into NetSpend debit card account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type NetSpend debit card. Log in, press enter. Now you can see several links will pop up. Click on the netspend.com. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login page for NetSpend debit card account. All you have to do is enter your username and your password. First of all, enter your username. Make sure to enter the correct username. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now, if you want the browser to remember your username, all you have to do is check on this box. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on the username option right over here. And if you have forgotten the password, you can click on the password option that you can see right over here. After entering your username and your password, all you have to do is click on the login button right over here. After clicking on the login button, you'll be logged in your NetSpend debit card account. So that is how you log into NetSpend debit card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.